Welcome to Financial Freedom and Finance channel. Here we upload videos to give you a helping hand in reaching your financial goals. We hope to give you tips for achieving financial freedom using finance, one video at a time. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about financial literacy. The lesson today will explain 12 habits to help you achieve financial freedom. With these 12 practices, you can put yourself on the road to financial freedom. For many people, achieving financial freedom, having enough cash on hand, investments, and savings to support the lifestyle they choose for themselves and their families, is a top priority. Developing a nest egg that would enable you to retire or follow whatever job you like also means removing the pressure of having to make a particular amount of money each year. Unfortunately, far too many people lack financial independence. Even in the absence of sporadic financial problems, the continual load of mounting debt brought on by excessive spending prevents them from achieving their objectives. Additional gaps in safety nets are exposed when a severe crisis, like a storm, an earthquake, or a pandemic, totally destroys all arrangements. Nearly everyone runs into trouble, but these 12 behaviors can help you avoid it. Determine your life's objectives. How do you define financial independence? Everyone wants it in general, but that's a very nebulous objective. You must be precise with regards to sums and due dates. The possibility of completing your goals increases with their level of specificity. Put these 3 goals in writing. Number 1, the requirements of your lifestyle. Number 2, the amount that needs be in your bank account to enable that, and number 3, the age at which you must have saved that amount. Establish financial mileposts at regular intervals between the 2 dates as you work your way backward from your deadline age to your present age. Put the target sheet at the front of your financial binder and be sure to write down all amounts and deadlines precisely. Establish a monthly budget. The easiest method to ensure that all bills are paid and savings are progressing as planned is to create a monthly household budget and adhere to it. Additionally, having a schedule helps you stay committed to your objectives and resist the inclination to indulge. Repay all of your credit card debt. The process of accumulating money is poisoned by high-interest consumer loans and credit cards. Make it a point to settle the bill in full each month. Paying off student debts, mortgages, and other comparable loans is not urgent because their interest rates are often significantly lower. Even yet, timely repayment of these loans with reduced interest rates is crucial since it improves credit standing. Automatically save money. First, pay yourself. Enroll in the retirement program offered by your workplace, and take use of any matching contribution benefits, basically free money, to the fullest. It's a good idea to set up automatic contributions to a brokerage account or a similar account, as well as withdrawals into an emergency fund that may be used for unforeseen needs. The money for your emergency fund and retirement account should ideally be taken out of your account the same day you were paid, so it never even comes into contact with your hands. Bear in mind that your specific situation will determine how much money is advised to be saved in an emergency fund. Additionally, you shouldn't use a tax-advantaged retirement plan as your sole source of emergency funds because of the limitations that make it challenging to get your funds if you unexpectedly need them. Now is the time to invest. People may doubt the idea of investing during bad markets, but historically there has never been a better chance to increase your wealth. Your money will expand tremendously thanks to the magic of compound interest alone, but you'll need a lot of time to see real growth. However, keep in mind that doing the type of stock selecting made popular by billionaires like Warren Buffett would be a mistake for anybody other than experienced investors. Instead, register an online brokerage account that enables you to easily learn how to invest, build a modest portfolio, and automatically add funds to it every week or month. To assist you in getting started, we've listed the top online brokers for beginners. Watch your credit score. Your credit score is a very important number that determines the interest rate you are offered when buying a new car or refinancing a home. It also impacts the amount you pay for a range other essential, from car insurance to life insurance premiums. The reason credit scores have so much weight is that someone with reckless financial habits is considered likely to be reckless in other areas of life, such as not looking after their health, or even driving and drinking. This is why it's important to get a credit report at regular intervals to make sure that there are no erroneous black marks ruining your good name. It may also be worth looking into a reputable credit monitoring service to protect your information. Bargain for products and services. For fear of coming out as cheap, many Americans are reluctant to haggle for products and services. By overcoming this fear, you might annually save thousands of lives. Bulk purchases or presenting yourself as a loyal client might get you substantial discounts since small firms, in particular, frequently engage in negotiating. Maintain your financial education. To make sure that all adjustments and deductions are maximized each year, review pertinent changes in tax legislation. Follow market changes and financial news, and don't be afraid to rebalance your investment portfolio as necessary. The strongest safeguard against scammers who rely on inexperienced investors to make a fast profit is knowledge. Maintain your property. Taking good care of property makes everything from cars and lawnmowers to shoes and clothes last longer. The cost of maintenance is a fraction of the cost of replacement, so it's an investment not to be missed. Learn to know the difference between the things you want and the things you need. Living within your means. A mindset centered on making the most of less is necessary for mastering a thrifty way of life, and it's simpler than you would think. In reality, many successful people formed the practice of living within their means before becoming affluent. Adopting a simple lifestyle is not difficult. It simply entails developing the ability to tell the difference between goods you need and things you desire, and then making modest changes that result in significant improvements to your financial well-being. Make use of a financial advisor. Get a financial counselor to help you continue on the correct track once you've accumulated a respectable amount of money, either in liquid assets or fixed assets. Take care of your health. The principle of proper maintenance also applies to your body, and taking excellent care of your physical health has a significant positive impact on your financial health as well. Investing in good health is not difficult. It means making regular visits to doctors and dentists, and following health advice about any problems you encounter. Many medical issues can be helped, or even prevented, with basic lifestyle changes, such as more exercise and a healthier diet. Poor health maintenance, on the other hand, has both immediate and long-term negative consequences on your financial goals. Some companies have limited sick days, which means a loss of income once paid days are used up. Obesity and other dietary illnesses make insurance premiums skyrocket, and poor health may force early retirement with lower monthly income for the rest of your life. Financial freedom, what is it then? Everyone has their own personal definition of financial independence. For the majority of individuals, this is having enough money, in the form of savings, investments, and cash, to support a particular standard of living, as well as a nest egg for retirement or the flexibility to choose any line of work without regard to compensation. That is it for today's video. I hope you were able to learn a thing or two about the path to financial freedom, handling your finances, and where you should get started if you want to achieve financial freedom. We will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.